If you have existing files on your computer that you want to link to a website or another online tool, you will need to store those files on the web using your Google Drive account. When you move these files to Google Drive, you have the option to convert them to a Google Docs format, or you can leave them in their original format. Editing your files is easier if you convert them. However, converting does not work well for every type of file. Before we begin uploading, let's check out our upload settings. Choose the gear icon and select Settings. If you always want Google to try to convert PDF, Word, or PowerPoint files to a Google format, put a check mark in the box. Converting files will make them editable online. If you want Google, though, to simply store the file and keep the original file as a Word, PowerPoint, or PDF file, don't put a check mark in this box. To upload and convert your file, simply use the red New button on your Drive homepage and choose File Upload. Browse to where the file lives on your computer. Google will upload and convert this PowerPoint file for me, so I will be able to open, view, and edit it online. You can also upload an entire folder to Google Drive, which is very convenient if you are moving several files at once to Google Drive. But if you use this method, you cannot choose whether or not to convert files individually. Whether you have your preferences set to convert or not, the action will apply to everything in that upload folder. Looks like my PowerPoint file has been uploaded and converted, which I can tell by this icon, which looks different from the icon for PowerPoint files that I choose not to convert. And when I open my converted file, I can see that Google has done a great job with the conversion. My presentation now lives online. I can share it, link it to a website, and I can easily make quick changes, which will be instantly updated for everyone who has this link. PowerPoint files typically convert beautifully to Google Slides. Any updates you make are instantly viewable to everyone that you have shared that item with. If I accidentally upload a file and I forgot to ask Google to convert it, I can just simply right-click on it and choose to open with Google Docs, or in this case, Google Slides. This will make a second converted version of my file, and I can keep or delete the original PowerPoint file. While Google converts PowerPoint files really well, right now some of the formatting in Word docs does not convert over quite as smoothly. For documents with mostly text, converting to Google Docs will work great for you, but if you have a document with a lot of tables or special formatting, you may want to upload it in PDF or Word format and not convert it. Let's look at an example. Here is a Word document I downloaded from CDE that has a flowchart created with text boxes and shapes and a table with special formatting. I have already uploaded this file to my Google Drive account twice. The first time I asked Google to convert it, and the second time I did not. The converted Google Doc has the table, but the cell spacing is off, and the entire page of the flowchart did not convert over perfectly. Let's look at the Word version that I did not choose to convert when I uploaded it. In this version, the original formatting looks very good with the exception of an added blank page. This is really only a web viewing issue though, because if I download this file from Drive, it looks just like the original. Keeping this document in my Google Drive as a Word doc is a good option if I want to share a Word file with others that they will be able to download and edit their own individual versions of. If it's really important that this version views exactly like the original online, I just need to take one more step. First, I will save my original document as a PDF file. Then I will adjust my upload settings in Google not to convert my uploads. And then I will upload my PDF to my Google Drive. This icon represents a PDF file, and when I click on the link, I can see that the formatting was maintained perfectly. Just keep in mind, though, that others cannot edit PDF files. They're pretty much view only. So if you are sharing this and want to keep it editable, you will need to either convert it to a Google Docs format or store it online in Word format for others to download. I try to convert my Word and PowerPoint files to Google format as often as possible, since this makes it much easier for me to instantly edit and share my items. I can adjust the sharing settings to allow others to simply view my item or collaboratively edit with me, and this collaborative editing is only an option if your files have been created in or converted to Google Docs format. Also remember that you can upload any sort of file for storage and sharing into your Google Drive account. Here's a video file I have uploaded and have shared with others through my Drive. I can do the same with image files as well. And I can also upload Smart Notebook files and share them with anyone. Others will need to download the files to view them, but it is a great way to transport and share any type of file with others without the need of a flash drive. Think of Google as your flash drive in the cloud with unlimited storage, where you can also create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, convert similar files, and store any type of file conveniently without ever needing a USB drive.